Hey, how's it going guys? Awesome Trends here, and in today's video, we're going to be covering the top 5 unluckiest moments in mystery brand history. But before we get into the video, I just want to quickly announce that we sometimes hide gift cards in the videos that you can use to buy V-Bucks. We also give them away to the funniest comment down below, so if you don't find them in the videos, then make sure to enter by subscribing and leaving a like on every video. So, unfortunate things happen to everybody. But when it comes to gambling, there is a lot more occurrences of unfortunate events than the average person. Just for the record, this video is not sponsored by Mystery Brand. I just think it's funny when people waste a bunch of money gambling. The first clip I'm showing you is a case where a guy in the video literally paid $150 for a case that one of his buddies made, and the thing is, in the clip, while cutting it, it showed like it was going to be something purple, and it actually ended up being something blue, and he wasted a bunch of money on the box, and his friend even said afterwards that he was being scammed. Check it out.
Link it, bro.
It actually looks like a good case. Tell me this case doesn't look at least appealing to the eye. Look at that.
All right, I'm opening it. Okay, you know what? Appealing to the eye until I click view chances, I assume.
The chances aren't that bad.
There, oh my god. There's 15, 45, plus
no,
18.
15, 30, 18 plus
yeah,
6.
15 plus 30 is 45.
Oh, you're right.
Okay, fine. We're going with it. We're going with it. Pop of less.
Just hope it's not a blue. As long as it's not a blue.
All right, I'm going for it. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh.
So, okay, tell me what you got in here that's pink or purple. Sorry.
You could get, the worst thing you could get is like $80 or like, I think like that. The best thing you could get is some off-white Chuck Taylors.
Let's go. All right, 3, 2, 1. Off-white Chuck Taylors. Why are they pink?
Dude, you're getting scammed, bro.
They're blue on the website. Come on, bro. All right, I'm gonna open one NMD, one easy, and then we're gonna go for something a little more expensive. All right, so Papa Bless. Boom. This is it right here. Right now, we are getting confirmed purple because that's the worst thing you can get. And it's gonna be something good though. All right, 3, 2, 1, boom. As you guys can see, come on, same shoe. You know what I've just realized? We haven't gotten anything else from all the boxes other than Converse. Other than the Converse. All right, come on.
But you're gonna get Yeezys right now, so you're gonna break that curse.
You know what? That's it. Boom. Oh my god. If I get the same,
you can still get the creams. You can just get the creams.
Yeah. What the?
So this guy literally got scammed back to back on the same pair of shoes. It kind of makes me wonder if Mystery Brand just has a lot of these shoes in inventory, because they are pretty cheap shoes after all, and not really rare like some of the other shoes they claim they own. But what do you guys think? The next clip is the time some YouTuber that paid over 1.2k on a single box only ended up getting $200 back. This is insane, but it's nothing compared to the last clip I'm going to show you guys, so make sure to watch all the way until the end for the most insane moment of Mystery Brand history.
I'm nervous as hell. This gun's frozen. Don't try this at home, by the way. If you do not have the money to gamble, don't do it. Please don't do it, okay? I am telling you, advising you. Oh my god. I opened it. Moment of truth. He just got it. I'm about to faint.
He's about to open the box.
Alright guys, this goes for you, Ricegum. We're gonna get a gold, just like you did.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I opened it. I opened it. I don't know. Oh my god, it's red. It's freaking red. It's not gold. Let's just open something good. F me, man. What the hell, man? The worst thing on the freaking box. That's what we freaking get.
If you guys are out there watching at home and you want to try this website, I would advise that you don't even try the site altogether. That brings us to the next clip where this guy exposes how the odds on the websites are completely rigged. Enjoy.
Some people clicked on this video to unbox it. I just really want to get this message across, guys, and that's why we're doing this a little bit. And I really do hope you guys listen to this and take it for what you will, but please just listen to this part. Now, this case is worth $14.99, okay? Even if I wanted to just get the Lambo, the $2.5 million Lambo, and I went to create my own box on Mystery Brand with their own odds, we can go ahead and just title this whatever we want. We can create a box and we can find that Lambo, right? Then we can scroll down and get the cheapest item. So we're not even adding all the other cars, nothing else, guys. And we're just gonna copy their odds. So as you guys can see, this is a 0.0026. Boom, we're gonna place that in there, and then we're gonna do 99.99 7.4, and this case already should cost, just with one car, not even the massive mansion that they probably will not send you, not even all the other cars, that case should be $72.39. So what I take from this is either there's gonna be no cars in this case and they're just there for show so people open this case, or something's really fishy. And leave a like on the video if you think so, and leave a like on the video if you don't think so. Here's the thing, I called them out on this on a stream. I basically just went in someone's stream and I was like, yo, check this out, it's actually pretty funny. Then someone called Delta actually tweeted out exactly what I said, and he went out of his way to create the case. Now, do you see anything different on this picture? This picture, the odds say 0.1519, which means that the odds were actually a lot higher to get yourself that Lambo before, as mentioned on their case. Now they changed it after I called it out. Now it's 0.00. It still doesn't add up though. And Delta actually went out of his way to create the whole case, just all the cars, every single thing, 98% on the cheapest case. And then you also have every single supercar that he added there that they have. And that case, as mentioned by Mystery Brand, should be worth $7,589. Take it for what you will, guys. I've checked out other sites that have create your own odds, and none of them are like this one. And I also don't think that these skins or these items are actually in the case.
So the next clip is pretty unlucky, and the guy goes unprofitable the entire time. Then again, it's nothing shocking to me, saying this entire website is based off gambling, but let's just go ahead and roll the clip.
And this box is usually $100. So let's hope we can come out profiting. I would not mind a red again. You know, let's be honest, it's probably not gonna happen because, ladies and gentlemen, every time we get a red, usually we always get like not red in the video after it. So let's just hope, okay, it's purple. Hopefully it's not a pair of Converse, and it's a freaking pair of... We're always gonna be going for gold because we need to get gold. Like, it needs to happen. We need to be the first YouTubers.
We need to be the first pair of YouTubers to get gold.
First pair. Okay, you got blue, Alvin. Congratulations.
I'm still beating.
And we're gonna go ahead and open it. Can we make it 3 times? Can we make it 3? I was getting all hyped up. Oh my god, we got the worst shirt ever.
You're gonna keep it.
No.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now let's get into our final clip, which I personally think is one of the most unluckiest clips. It's basically one of the YouTubers that I put into this video. He started getting backlash from the community, and they were actually thinking he was supporting Mystery Brand, but in all reality he was just showing his audience, and he was like debunking all of this, and I feel pretty bad for him. And he seems like a really chill dude, but let's go ahead and roll the clip.
Obviously not. Now, a lot of you guys are coming onto my channel thinking that I was promoting Mr. Brand all along, and that is not the case if you actually watch my videos. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all of my Mystery Brand videos, clip out all the parts where I actually exposed them way before anyone else did. H3H3 way before him. Pewdiepie way before him. Literally, I was one of the first people to call them out for all of the things that are coming out now. So now I did tweet out this recently, but I've also talked about it in the past, and you guys will probably see it in my videos as well, all the little clips. But they did ask me for a sponsorship. They wanted to pay me for sponsorships, and I currently just replied this. Now on October 12th, this is a long time, but at least I have the dates and the emails to prove it. I was actually approached by Mystery Brand, and they said, hey, would you like to do a sponsorship video? And this is what I replied. At the current state of Mystery Brand and the current state of sponsorships, I would have to decline the sponsorship offer. I strongly feel that most sponsored videos are misleading. Although I have won some decent items, watching a lot of the Mystery Brand sponsored content, some if not all drops seem to be a big PR move.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm Awesome Churns, and that was the unluckiest moments of Mystery Brand history. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, and all the creators featured in this video are down below in the descriptions. I will see you guys in the next one.